Ray-Ban smart glasses. You have to wear this on your arms, and basically what it does is, this makes my finger into a mouse pad. I can cross in, cross out, and I can see on my display. You can't see it, I can see it. I can read my messages. There's also a teleprompter app, which means that if I'm on a stage giving a presidential speech, I can read right here.
Who would have thought a sleeping pillow can actually give you statistics of how you sleep? It's basically AI monitored, and the most quirky part about it is, if you or your partner is snoring, it helps you adjust the height of your pillow and your head so that you can stop snoring. That's really cool.
You guys were aware about Samsung's Fold, but now that we are at ES26, we ought to talk about the innovative technology. So here we have Galaxy Z Tri-Fold. It folds twice, like this, 1 and 2. And here it is.
Now this is quite innovative for all the people out there, and especially girls who really want to have like a portable mirror with them. This has quite a lot of features. For example, if you want to have lights and if you want to see, you can change the colors over here. See, that's really cool. I mean, it's quite portable for all the girls out there who want to check that out. And then sunscreen. If you put a sunscreen over here, it can actually show it to you how much sunscreen you've put.
10 kg of dumbbell. Well, it's difficult to lift. What if I tell you a vacuum can lift that? That's what this vacuum cleaner can do. By suction, it can lift 10 kg of dumbbell. Now, what happens when you actually put this on use in India? Will it struck the marble flooring or carpet? That's something we have to find out, but this is cool.
This is a Rover X3, and it is a multi-terrain robot. It can actually sing as well to keep you entertained, but it can actually go with you on a camping or if you want to go on a hike. This is not just your normal Rubik Cube. It is a Warp Cube. Basically, what you can do is, you have a Rubik's Cube. Now, every place has a different app. It can be used as an alarm clock or, play games.
Hi guys, so today we see Samsung's Bespoke AI refrigerator, the best technology that I've seen so far. Come here, I'll show you. Open the left door. Ah, magic.
This is the Music Studio 5 by Samsung, and you wouldn't even know it's a speaker if you see it in my house in a showcase over there. Did you think that the water's gonna spoil the TV? But let me tell you, it doesn't. And you can see it's raining right there. Well, it's completely weatherproof. It has a really great picture quality. And if you have a farmhouse or if you want to keep a TV by your pool, this is the TV that you would want to add to your car.